fuck? Why is it so beautiful out? What's going on, everybody? It's Mr. Lucky Moto. Today it's such a beautiful day. I'm literally wearing nothing but a t-shirt underneath this hoodie, and oh my gosh, dude, it just feels so good right now. But anyways, we're gonna be going to the lot today again. I know this is like the 5th video in a row of you guys getting a lot sesh, but they're easy to make this time of the year because it's cold. One of the only places I can go reliably with it not being icy out. It's just very nice for me to go to those places. So it's gonna be a lot of those, and on a clear day maybe we'll go out for a little ride somewhere. Yeah, so anyways, we're gonna head there. We're gonna be meeting up with Sam. He's got like a 13 to 18 some year ZX6R that he's got built, so I'm excited to see that. He was actually just in my video when I met everybody at the stunt lot. I never introduced myself to him. I went over and I looked at his bike on video, but I was just so awkward that I didn't say anything. So we're gonna be going and we're gonna be meeting up with him, and his bike's got a little bit of a makeover since that video, so I'm excited to show you guys that. I am winded after talking like that. Oh my gosh. But anyway, yeah, today I totally forgot. Today is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everybody. This video is going to be out like a week or two after Thanksgiving, but happy late Thanksgiving to everybody. I hope you guys got to eat plenty of turkey and got to have plenty of thanks with all your family members. First of all, things I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for this bike. I'm thankful for this channel. Thankful for a family that supports me, and I am so thankful for you guys that watch my videos. So this wouldn't be possible without you guys. So thank you so much for letting me be able to do this and just have fun with it. Oh man, I need to turn the music down at the stoplights because otherwise YouTube's gonna copyright me and they're gonna be like, what the fuck are you doing? That's not your music, you can't promote that. If anything, what am I trying to say? If anything, I'm promoting Suicide Boys by listening to them so much. I listen to them pretty much every fucking time I go on a ride, dude. Man, first off, just look at this bike, dude. It looks so good. This warehouse, again, I just see this warehouse every time and I'm like, this is where I will start my business. This is where I will start my clothing company. It's gonna be the biggest clothing company in all motovlogging history. I keep seeing shadows behind me and I'm like, oh, there's a car behind me. No, there is not. I fucking forgot about the scratch! No! It's not a scratch, it's just a little scuff mark. I hope to God that is not permanent. All I did, I have it on video, I just rubbed my thumb across it like that. And it's like this now. Bro, it's such a beautiful day out here. Is he already here? Does not look like it. Looks like I am the first here. Oh, I know he is. There he is. Alright, let's see if I can get these. Oh gosh. It's right there. How's it going? Going pretty good. That was not a bad wheelie right there.
That was good.
Yeah, it was funny because last time I came out here, it just came out a couple days ago, and it was just like, I could not get it to stay up for the life of me. So it was like the last 10 minutes before I left here, I was just watching videos on YouTube, just like, all right, how do I do this? I'm just trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
Okay, well, first run down this lot, wasn't able to get it on video, so let's try it again. Okay, let's try it again. My gosh, I'm really trying. Ooh. Look at him go. at balance point especially. Yeah, I'm getting so squirrely. I might honestly lower my tire pressure. High chair? Or spread eagle? Or spreader, whatever it's called. Okay. Getting a little spreader in there. Fuck. I saw that! Okay.
That's strong. I run my idle up.
Yeah, for like no handers and shit like that?
People don't like that, but I do.
Bro, this is just gonna make me want. This is just gonna make me want to get that going. Bro, this thing is. Oh, dude, this thing sounds gnarly. This M4 exhaust sounds so good. This is gonna make me want to straight pipe my when I get it going. Oh wait, that's right. I forgot you guys don't know about that yet. Oh my gosh, dude, this thing rips. Dude, this thing absolutely rips. I want to go up and down one more time. Oh my gosh. That's crazy, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. I don't ride bikes this fast very often. A lot of people are gonna be like, oh, that's not a fast bike. That's crazy. Okay, I'm getting it to where like the Speedo's about that level. Okay. Getting a little bit up there, a little bit squirrely. Woo! My gosh! That time I came way up there. Dude, I fucking got it like literally probably 12 o'clock. I just coasted it for like a second and then just let off the gas and it just brought me back down.
Yeah, be careful, bro. Make sure you hit the brake.
Yeah, dude, that was fucking, that was close, but
spreader, bro.
Huh?
I'm trying to get a spreader.
Yeah. How do those tanks? That's a fab tank, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, I can get a spreader. I can't drop back with a spreader yet, but I can get this thing up here. I'm just trying to get it from the seat, pop up, and then.
Yeah. I gotcha. Chasing him out a little too much. I keep like turning the bars like this. That's probably not good for me to do that. Now I'm slamming my nuts every time I come down. Get some tank grips or something like that. Okay, not bad. Oh man, my wrists are getting a little tired. God damn, Dad! God damn! Man, does hella chased. I am non-stop chasing this whole time. I'm forgetting I'm doing a YouTube video too. keep forgetting I'm doing a YouTube video, and so I just need to keep commentating. How you guys doing? I'm sorry if I'm sniffling a lot. It's cold. Woo! A little too far back. All right, see ya. Go over recording. It is. Okay, well, fun little lot sesh. We're over with now. Gosh, that was horrible. Do a couple of wheelies down here at the lot just to finish it off. Gosh. Getting so, what's the word? So close. I'm getting so close, but it's not at the same time. Damn. Alright, well, whatever. Anyways, we're gonna be heading home now because that was a fun session. I have not had that much fun at the lot ever. Oh, I have to like stop breathing because my face mask gets so fogged up so quickly. Oh, dude, it's such a beautiful day out. I love this shit. Get a little street wheelies going on here. They liked it. I'm hungry. I am ready for Thanksgiving dinner. What is your guys' favorite dish for Thanksgiving? Me personally, I like the sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are the best. Sweet potatoes, at least the way that my mom makes them, she puts them in. I don't know how everyone else makes them, but she throws in the sweet potatoes, pineapple, sugar, marshmallows, brown sugar. Maybe she doesn't put in actual sugar. I don't know. I know she puts in brown sugar. But whatever it is so fucking good. I am so ready to eat that. It is the best. And the thing is about it, it's best. It's good, hot and cold. So it's like for leftovers, you don't even have to heat it up. It's just as good if you eat it cold. If not, I personally think it's better cold. You don't have to worry about burning yourself. You do it. This guy's license plate is just black as fuck. Alright, I'm starting to get a little cold now, but otherwise this day has been so beautiful. It's been such a good day to go ride. I love this. This is the best day. The best day on the planet. Look at the sky. Look at the clouds. The clouds are so beautiful. I can kiss them. Skirt. Break my back. I know I wasn't talking much this vlog. I don't know what it was. I just had to. I wasn't able to keep myself talking the whole time. I don't know whether it was because I was so focused on doing the wheelies or what. But my vlog today has just kind of been me just doing wheelies, which I mean, it's kind of just what it normally is minus the talking. But you guys kind of get what I'm saying. But anyways, I hope, even though I wasn't talking much, that you guys enjoyed the video. I made some serious progress on my wheelies today. I don't know if you guys saw, but I was kind of just going like yeet, and I was getting it back there pretty good. I took the term throw it back, and I've sent it to 10 right there. But anyways, I'm ending the video right here again. This is where it ends every time I come this way. So anyways, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you guys can see the next video I upload. Be sure to go follow Sam on Instagram. I believe he has a TikTok, I'm not 100% sure, but I will go ahead and post both of those in the description and on the screen right now, so that way you guys can remember to go follow him. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out!